The Ordinary Retinal 0.2% Emulsion is a powerful skincare solution designed to tackle acne, uneven skin tone, signs of aging, and enlarged pores. This emulsion leverages retinol, which is key to maintaining skin health and treating various skin concerns. The Ordinary has made a substantial mark in the skincare industry for offering high-quality formulations at accessible price points. The brand emphasizes transparency in its ingredient lists, helping users understand exactly what they are applying to their skin. In today's video, we will take you through the benefits of the Ordinary Retinal 0.2% Emulsion, providing a detailed guide on its application while highlighting the essential do's and don'ts. So what makes the Ordinary's Retinal Emulsion stand out? They state it's their highest strength retinoid formula with stabilized retinaldehyde for advanced age support. The product is great for signs of aging, acne, dark spots, enlarged pores, or overall skin health. Retinol, also known as retinaldehyde, is a well-studied retinoid that offers more efficient delivery of the most direct form of vitamin A molecules than retinol, thanks to being one conversion step closer to the bioactive form of vitamin A. The Ordinary's Retinal 0.2% Emulsion also contains synthetic oat analogues. This ingredient is known to help target skin discomfort and dryness, which are common concerns associated with retinoid use. The bright yellow hue of the formula comes from the high concentration of retinol, which is naturally yellow. The serum textured formula is suitable for all skin types and is recommended for experienced users of retinoids or retinol. Now, if you are new to using retinoids or retinol in your skincare routine, The Ordinary recommends starting with the Gran Active Retinoid 2% Emulsion or the Retinol 0.2% and progressing to higher strengths as your skin builds up its tolerance. Here's how to use the emulsion in your skincare routine. The emulsion is lightweight, non-greasy, and to be used at nighttime only. First, begin with a gentle cleanser to remove impurities, then go in with a second cleanse. Follow up with a toner, which is optional. Apply your water-based serums, allow your skin to dry, then dispense a small amount, 1 to 2 drops of the retinol 0.2% emulsion onto your fingertip or the back of your hand. Smooth it over your face, neck, and chest. Follow up with a hydrating moisturizer to lock in moisture. Here are some do's and don'ts when it comes to using the Ordinary Retinal Emulsion. Do begin with 2 to 3 times weekly application to build your skin's tolerance, building up to nightly use over time. Do incorporate sunscreen in your morning routine, even if you use the serum the night before. Do always conduct a patch test before fully integrating any new product into your skincare routine. Avoid usage during pregnancy or breastfeeding without consulting a healthcare professional. If you experience persistent irritation or adverse reactions, stop using the product immediately and seek a dermatologist's advice. Let us know if you are excited to try the Ordinary's Retinal 0.2% Emulsion in your skincare routine. If you want to take a deeper dive into retinol and the do's and don'ts, then check out this video here next.